Many people wonder something important after hearing about heaven. What will we actually do there? Will eternity feel long, quiet, empty? The Bible gives us beautiful insight. Heaven will be full of purpose, joy, and meaningful life. Revelation 22 verse 5 tells us something powerful. They will reign forever and ever. This means heaven is not a place where we simply exist. It is a place where we will live, serve, create, and reign with God. God originally created humanity with purpose, to steward creation, to build, to cultivate, to lead with love. Heaven is the restoration of that original design. Imagine using your gifts without frustration, working without exhaustion, creating without failure, serving without fear or competition. Everything we do will be filled with meaning, joy, and peace. The Bible also shows heaven as a place of continuous worship, not forced rituals, but joyful celebration, flowing naturally from hearts that finally see God clearly. Revelation 7 verse 9 describes a vast multitude from every nation, tribe, and language standing before God, worshiping together. Picture it. Voices from every culture singing in perfect unity, hearts completely free from pride, comparison, or division, everyone filled with overwhelming gratitude. And another incredible promise: we will finally understand what we could never fully understand on earth. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 12 says, "Now I know in part, then I shall know fully." All the questions, the confusion, the moments when life didn't make sense, one day clarity will replace them all. We will see how God was working even in the hardest chapters of our lives. Nothing will be wasted. Every tear will have meaning. Every prayer will have purpose. And perhaps one of the most beautiful realities, joy in heaven will never fade. Psalm 16 verse 11 says, "In your presence there is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore." Not temporary happiness, not moments that pass, but a deep, steady, unshakable joy that grows stronger forever. Heaven is not the end of life. It is the beginning of the life we were truly created for. A life where love is complete, purpose is clear, peace is constant, and God Himself is with us every moment. And the invitation still stands today. God is not only preparing heaven for His people, He is preparing His people for heaven. And every step of faith you take now is shaping the eternity that is waiting for you.
If this message encouraged your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone today. Someone who may need to be reminded that eternity with God is not empty or distant, but filled with purpose, joy, and everlasting hope. Your simple share could be the reminder that helps someone look toward heaven again.